Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Tuesday, August 6th. Well, after a record-setting week last week, we had almost a record-setting slow day yesterday. The mini S&P closed relatively unchanged, had a high of 1705 and a half, 1698 and 3/4 was the low, so only a 6-point range during the session, ended up finishing at 1702 and 3/4, down 1 1/4. So we saw a mixed session in the stock indexes. Dow futures down 36, 15,554, 73-point range in the Dow futures as well. The Nasdaq was unchanged, 3136 plus minus 0. The dollar index was also quiet, had a high of 82.61 and a low of 81.81. 81.94 was a close, down 4 points. The euro did push higher, up 26, 132.62. Another high above the 133 level, 133.03. So again, it's having trouble pushing through and closing above that 133 level. Bonds were off half a full basis point, down 17, 133.06, drifting lower. Again, 134 is the pivot there after trading in a range between 132 and 136 for the last couple of weeks. Crude oil was off about 50 cents, 106.50, high there 107.70, low 105.70. So a $2 range in crude after making a push to those highs at 108 and above here recently, unable to get above that 108.93 high from a couple weeks ago. And gold pivoted around the $1,300 level that we've been talking about, did finish down 9 at 1302, so maintain above 1300 on a closing basis anyways. So after a real quiet day yesterday, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning to start a new trading day? Right now we're down 3, 1699 and a half as we stand. Dow futures down 30, 15,524, and the Nasdaq's down 2, 3134, so we're off about 0.15% across the board. Dollar index drifting lower, 81.80. Again, 81.50 is the low from in the last couple weeks that we'll want to see if it can push below to support some of these commodities prices and push the euro higher. Euro currency is up 14, 132.75. Bonds are down 6 at 133. The yield on the 30-year Treasury right now is at 3.79%, so that continues to inch higher. Crude oil is up a quarter, 106.82, and gold is below that 1300 level right now as we stand at 1294, down 8. We'll want to pay attention. Again, gold's been trading roughly between 1300 and 1350 for the last couple weeks. Keep an eye on that 1300 breakout level as a pivot on a weekly basis in that gold market. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the stock market open. Things are off a little bit after new highs again yesterday. 1705 was the high in the S&P, new all-time highs. Right now we're at 1699 and a half, down 3 points, and we're down 30 points in the Dow futures at 15,524. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.